It's comedy in the fast lane when Jesse applies the twins to an upscale preschool.
He embellished on our application. Not too many 2-year-olds are proficient on the bassoon.
An all-new Full House.
All right!
Then Mark and the girls plan to hit the slopes.
Better watch out for this tree.
Hang in with Mr. Cooper, Tuesday after Full House. February's jammin' and ABC's got the stuff, with special episodes of all your favorite series, like Step by Step in Hawaii, and a great lineup of blockbuster movies like Driving Miss Daisy and Dick Tracy, to exciting new world premieres like The Flintstones in prime time. Plus the season's hottest specials with stars like Billy Ray Cyrus. And on February 10th, the television event of the year, Oprah Winfrey interviews Michael Jackson live.
If you leave the theater, folks, please be careful. Don't let this happen to your car. Be sure to remove the sticker before you leave. If you should accidentally pull a sticker loose, please turn it in at our snack bar or box office.
But they don't necessarily know what to do with that food. The most effective way that I've found is through a national organization called Share Our Strength. They connect the restaurants with the shelters.